Okay, so welcome back to another Smith's Mechanical video. In this month's video, we're covering a bit more into Sebs 80, doing some of the panel work, pulling the dents out. We got some time lapses of that, and we are fitting. Oh, sick door handle, man! Whoa. Fitting some of the car builder's insulation. So we cleared all the interior out of this because he flooded it moments after he hit his upper sill, so now we're insulating it before the carpet goes back in. So yeah, stay tuned and yeah, we'll see how this one goes, eh? So that's the first initial pull of the dent. All the rough stuff out, so now it's into just the little details, and then it'll be getting bogged up to match the body shape and then sanded down and repainted. It's come out very nicely.
so to wrap up the night, it was starting to get late, so we thought we'd just finish up what we were doing. So that's majority of the dent almost pulled out, and then we went over with some bog and just done a rough sand. So this is just the first bog, so still needs a bit of work done on it, but from a distance you can see it's just needing some about this middle part here. The edges are fine and the outside's fine, so it's actually come out a surprising amount, so I'm impressed. I'll be doing mine next, but yeah, we'll finish this up, make this look clean, respray this to match the car and the rest of the car, and then we'll be fixing up the sliders and getting them on. But yeah, that's pretty much, that's all that.